Well, then I didn't sneeze on you. Well, then I did not sneeze on you.
Samantha.
Proof.
A lot of people judge, but they don't know the work it took, and I can't force their eyes open if nobody wanna look.
Welcome back, Lovage Hot family. It's been a while, I know, but you know how it goes. When you don't see us, there's a reason. Anyways, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. It's been a while since you've seen this face and no Walden. And you know, I'm excited, I'm nervous, guys, what time it is. Once you see this face and no Walden, it is prank time. Yay! We just coming back from the movie. We went and watched Fast and Furious 9, and that was good. But my son, oh my god, he sat beside me and he was just the entire time, but he enjoyed it. He didn't fall asleep. He was really into it because he liked cars. But guys, toast to me pulling a prank on your boy. The first prank since I've been pregnant. It's not gonna be a pregnancy prank, but we were supposed to vlog tonight, and because we didn't vlog it, I just said, you know what, let me just do a prank, because we haven't posted a video in a while, and he want me to fry him some chicken breast for him to go to work tomorrow. So I'm going to use this opportunity to prank your boy. I'm going to call him and ask him to keep me company in the kitchen, because right now it's like after 10:47, so minutes 11. I'm going to ask him to come and keep me company in the kitchen. And my son has been bothering me lately, so I'm just going to keep sneezing on him, like, but I'm gonna get a spray bottle. Obviously I'm not gonna sneeze on him for real, so I'm just gonna keep sneezing in his face and be like, sorry. And I'm wearing like a hoodie, pre the bump, guys, pre the baby bump. I'm 30 weeks today. Anyways, gonna keep spraying him every time I sneeze, and like try to put the bottle in here and this thing here, and see how it goes. So there's popcorn's in my pocket, but yeah, I don't want to babble on, guys. I am gonna try this prank. I don't know if he's gonna be like, oh gross, I'll just wipe it off, or if he's gonna cuss me or thump me in my mouth or something, you know. I didn't have anything to drink in the cinemas because I didn't want to have to get up and go and pee all the time, so I only had popcorn and nachos and Subway, and I'm thirsty as hell. But yeah, I'm gonna try and set up the camera. I miss you guys so much, and then I'm gonna call him in. I'm gonna get the spray bottle and all of that, but yeah. I'm going in labor. I'm not going in labor. I rebuke that in the name of Jesus. I rebuke that in the name of Jesus. I'm not going into labor. What are you laughing?
The memes in them for the game.
Already?
I guess they're killing me here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come on. Keep me company. Well, that was nasty. That wasn't a real burp. That's so nasty.
I am going. Let me grab a chair. Let me grab a chair.
Are you gonna come and sit in here with me?
No, I'm gonna sit out there. What you been there eat, guys?
Popcorn and nachos and
See, I
Subway.
Need a bib or something?
Is it dirty?
Yeah, but
It's a pimple. Oh my, England probably sad, no boy.
say nah, here no fireworks.
I heard one, as you say England lost, I heard fireworks. It's probably someone from Italy.
Shut up, the one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my.
I feel like my sinus bothering me now.
No?
Yeah. Like last night I couldn't see my, I had to choke like toilet paper in my nose and stuff.
Yep.
Yeah.
Mother, you can feel my hand go, oh, there we go. Gee. You alright?
Yeah, sinus. Pass this you. Baby, I have sinus. What happened? Baby, alright, I have sinus. Okay.
Sam. Santa.
I covered my nose well then.
Santa.
I covered my nose.
Santa, you sneezed on me twice though.
I covered mine the first time I sneezed on you boys missed it, but I covered my nose.
I'm sure you sneezed for now or something.
Baby, but so what is my sneeze?
Some cover your nose, right?
I did.
Can I get some?
Yeah. I thought you told me to spoil.
I tell you, this one don't taste spoiled. The others them that you buy taste spoiled. Samantha, you're
Oh my god!
Samantha, you're messing around now, boss. You really messing around now. This is the third time now you're sneezing from me. What happened to you now?
Why did it go in the clothes? Why did you just...
Samantha, you done all the 3 times. Listen, man, about don't touch. Yo, don't touch me, because you're overdue. You're overdue now. That is to see you're overdue.
Just wipe it. Well, then you're scanning me. Just stop, Jack. You know.
Samantha, that shit nasty. Come on, man. You did. This is the third time now, man.
I'm sorry, my sinus bothering me. Why you want me?
So why you have to sneeze on me 3 times? Sneeze over so. Sneeze in the tissue. Sneeze in your stuff. You sneeze. You sneeze for me. You sneeze for me.
You want me to burp up my sneeze?
Samantha, stop playing like that.
Sorry.
Oh my gosh,
I can't
man.
believe you're shouting at me like that.
That is nasty.
To sneeze is nasty.
On
God
me, it's
made
not.
man to sneeze.
Samantha, if my fart you say nasty. To fart is nasty.
If you fart in front of people like me.
Just give me a break. Don't sneeze on me like that, man. Come on now, man. Let me get that stuff. Let me get some more of that
Well,
stuff.
I only have a little left.
Let me get some of that stuff.
Well, I only have a little left. Drink some juice. You're always begging.
What happened to the microwave? Why is it bent up like this? What happened? What happened there? Samantha, again?
What? Well, I did
You're pregnant. Listen.
You asked me what happened to the microwave. I'm coming to see what happened to the microwave when you. What?
Babe,
Okay, don't ask me nothing then.
Samantha, look now, right? Look. You play around. You willfully sneeze on me.
Babe, my sinus bad.
Babe, stop it, man. Samantha, eat the knife.
Okay, you're making
Samantha,
me
eat
feel
the
bad.
knife. The next time sneeze by me, I'm gonna sneeze by you.
Well, then if you only sneeze on me,
the next time sneeze by me, I'm gonna grab your head and when my fart, I'm gonna put them right by your back and fart, boss.
Well, then I'm not purposely doing it, babe.
So how could you?
So you can't. But you can't ask me what happened to the microwave. I'm
Cool
coming
that,
to
man. Listen, you want to sneeze, go and sneeze somewhere else.
But I
We're not
can't
like,
control when my
go
sneeze
and sneeze
come
somewhere
out.
else, man.
When you want to sneeze, can you hold in your sneeze and say, no, let me go in the living room and sneeze until you come. When you want to sneeze, you just sneeze. I can't, like, let me hold this for a minute.
Yeah. What are this?
Oh, that was when they were doing the census stuff.
So why you have the microwave like that?
Oh, I was gonna, I don't remember. Something else I wanna do.
Excuse me.
Don't use my ice. It's already cold. Just drink it from the bottle.
I don't want them to get some after this.
Well, then I didn't sneeze on you. Well, then I did not sneeze on you.
Samantha.
Proof I did not sneeze on you.
Just cool, man. Just
I didn't sneeze on you. Well, I didn't sneeze on you.
Why you have to sneeze in a direction but anyway? Over there you sneeze over, so over you sneeze over. Why you have to
not to trouble my eyes. Obviously, I have to talk. So you want to talk to you and say, well, then do not trouble my eyes. I don't have to look at you to tell you don't trouble my eyes. You just always overdoing, boss. I'm not lying. If overdo, look up the definition of overdoing the dictionary, your name up. Well, in all the eyes.
Sneeze from me again. Sneeze from me again and walk the whole back. You get angry today. Get yourself real angry today.
Okay, so it's no. When you kiss me, you know my saliva going to come out, right?
That's different than a sneeze. That's different than a sneeze. Relax yourself. You keep deliberately sneezing on me. I'm over there you sneeze on me. I'm over here you sneeze on me. You're deliberately doing it. Either nice, either cute.
Sneezing cute?
It's not cute.
My sneeze is very cute. People tell me my sneeze is cute.
Baby, it's not nice. Don't do it, please.
Don't do that. You make me feel real bad, boy. Let me do the chicken.
Don't do that for me, please.
You want me to cut them how I normally do it or just fry it big?
It don't matter because I'm going to cut them up. What? What's up?
Who are they calling you?
Yes, sir. What do you want now? How may I help you,
Need some
sir?
new juice, no?
Babe, drink your stuff now.
Okay.
Baby, what happened to you? Here, take
I
it.
don't want it, I just want some.
Just take it, Jack. Yes, see. See, I miss.
Okay,
I don't even
sorry.
bother one that. You're probably sneezing at that bastard. I don't even bother one that. I'm not going to tell you. Get over this fast. Try to stress me out.
What then?
Oh my gosh, man. Yo.
Guys, I drank off this whole bottle in one go. It's finished now. I literally just drank all of it. Like, I can't believe this boy's scanning me. I hope this camera still recording. I hope. I'm afraid this boy's scanning me. How can you scan the mother of your child, your children?
Oh, it's opening.
Come give me a hug, Jack, and let me apologize. Honestly, come. I'm sorry, Robin. I just can't believe you're behaving like that to me.
I need to
I
stop.
have your whole a human being in my belly.
Don't get me wrong. I love you, but when you sneeze, you have to sneeze on me.
I
Sneeze
didn't
somewhere
sneeze
else.
on you. It's not purposely.
It's not nice. It's not nice.
If
It's
you
not-
sneeze on me, I'd have just this.
Babe, you sneeze on me twice before me tell you anything.
Yeah, but then I got the tissue with the tissue. I got
Understand?
the tissue.
But you're still missing the tissue. You're missing the. Can't put tissue
I
over your
didn't.
nose.
I had the tissue over my
On your
nose.
mouth. You put tissue, like you put the tissue there the side of your neck and a sneeze. You go. Instead you go so, you go so. Achoo! And sneeze for me. Put the tissue over.
See? See?
Well, let me get back to my.
Oh, I feel sick in my belly.
Mean.
You're not gonna keep me company?
Yeah, that's what I'm here. You just keep it company. I really want to go and sit on the toilet for a bit.
You always want to sit on the toilet when you. I was gonna say when you want to message your women,
Well, I'm
you
gonna
go
go
and
and,
sit on the toilet and act like you're watching Twitch.
I'm gonna go and poop. You wanna come and sit with me?
You're not going and poo, you're going to talk to the side chick and pretend like you're watching Twitch and turn it up loud for me to hear.
No, stop saying side chick. Stop saying
Okay.
side chick. The next chick.
The next chick.
Yeah.
Think I fool you.
I don't have side chicks. Okay? If I'm talking to
You
a
never-
chick, it's the next chick.
Whenever you want to talk to them, you pretend like you want to go on the toilet or you want to sleep.
Yeah.
And then after
Samantha!
you're
I'm listen,
turning up Twitch and then you're minimizing the screen.
this is the reason why you're doing that.
Yeah.
Sneezing on me. Why you did that just now?
I didn't sneeze on you.
Now I know you're playing
I
up.
didn't sneeze on you, honestly.
So what the hell just happened there just now?
What do you mean?
Hey!
Oh, no, but I didn't sneeze on you, babe. I didn't sneeze on you, honest.
Oh my god.
Did it seem like I sneeze on you?
I'm gonna poo-poo.
You're not going on poo-poo. You poo-poo today already. How you going to poo-poo again? Okay, come here. Quick. Okay, quick. Look here. I see my water burst. Come. Well then. Oh my god. This boy annoying me. I'm tired, you know. I'm tired. And you have me here doing pranks.
Yes, sir.
What are you going to do? Say you're going to poo-poo with a glass of what juice?
Put the glass in the bedroom. Why?
Okay. Come, give me a kiss and a hug.
Sammy, stop playing me,
And
please.
you must stop talking to other females, okay?
Okay, baby. Okay.
Isn't that nice?
Okay. I'm not talking to anybody else. Okay.
What are you doing? Why do I feel like you're going to try and pull my hair or something?
Oh, man, all that. Come. Mind your belly. What happened to you?
Okay, so switch you. What?
Yes.
I'm not gonna sneeze. I'm not gonna sneeze. Wait, oh, babe, this one kind of hanging. I want to tell you something.
Oh.
I had the baby last night.
Okay.
No, for eating lotion, my baby this afternoon now we itching. Look here.
Come, let me lotion your belly for you.
When I finish, when I come upstairs.
Hold on.
What's that?
What is? What is this? Your achoo?
Oh my god.
Is that your achoo? I tell you, I know you been there a farm the ass now. Huh? Suppose you make an uppercut now. Huh? Land in the sink.
I can't breathe. Oh crap.
We in nastiness.
It smell nice. I actually didn't smell nice too. You didn't wonder why my sneeze smells so nice.
I couldn't smell anything. You played too much.
Yeah, it was a prank though. Because it's been a while.
You bored?
Yes. Yes, and you don't give me enough attention. So.
We're going back to pranking again now. You bored? Huh? Alright.
So how do you feel my prank went?
Alright.
My first pregnancy prank, not related to pregnancy, but pregnancy.
You mean it, you know? You say bad luck, you know?
No, for real, how you feel it went?
They do say, if you... Booyah, okay. I don't want you eating properly tall. I don't want you catch over here. I'm over here, so...
I hope you were in. I don't know if you were in frame. I think you were in frame.
I'm glad.
We'll have to see. But guys, I hope you were in frame, Jack. I hope.
I'm glad.
Oh my god, if he wasn't in
You
frame,
know,
I'd be out.
hide them properly and set them up properly.
Because I couldn't set, I didn't know where to put it, and I didn't want to put it here.
So nobody see the reaction. What's that? Nobody see the reaction. What you have in the bottle? What happened? What you have in the bottle? Hey, look.
Oh my god.
She got back so again? What happened to you?
Babe, tell him I caught you.
You didn't catch me.
Oh, what is that? I got you because you were angry the first time. Oh, my body's sensitive.
She said stop.
Ow!
Huh?
No, my bum's sensitive. Especially when you get slapped and you don't expect it.
They say when you go and you flinch, you get boy. When she do me that, me flinch.
You like I tried it the other day and he didn't flinch.
See that? Me get beat up. Babe, me go use it.
But anyways, just tell him how successful my prank was, no?
It wasn't successful because I hope she didn't hide the camera properly. So I'm sure that I'm out of frame. So you guys say it wasn't successful. She never
guys,
probably
I hope
she
you
lied.
enjoy this prank.
She lied. She never catch me.
I caught you, and I caught you good.
Come in though, she needs skin for you.
Yeah, let me finish. Let me just fry this so that I can come and lie down. I tied like 10 slaves.
Love it.
Subscribe. We out. Tell me out. Tell me out again. Oh, you frightened me.
We out. Kaboom.
Back to let them know why I slay again. Got to let them know I don't afraid of them. I just hold my own, chilling in my place. I was in.